Alright, solve it algebraically. I use substitution. Plug it in for the y, this little guy for the y. Solve it. You get your x equals 3, or negative 3, excuse me. Plug it back into one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one, because it's where they're both the same. Plug it in, and I get 6. So when I graph the two lines, they'll intersect at negative 3, 6. Y-intercept's at 12. Slope is 2, so go up 2 over 1, or down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1. Negative 3 is the y-intercept for the other line. Slope is negative 3, so go up 3, back 1, up 3, back 1, up 3, back 1. And there they intersect, right where I thought they would. Solving the equations, most people did very well with that. Some people wrote no solution. It's only no solution if your x's disappear. The x's are gone. And you're left with something that's not true. This is equal to 0. Watch when you distribute that. It should have been a plus. That will be a minus. Next one. If you need more time, just hit pause and you can look at each step. I showed each step. I'm getting y by itself, so I got rid of the 3x, subtract 3x from both sides. That's why it's a 7x now. Combine the like terms. It's negative 40. Get the y by itself. I want a 1y, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. We don't write the 1 because we're lazy. 7 over 2, negative 20. So where's it across the y-axis? 0, negative 20. Just plug in and check. So this is an x, and this is a y, and this is a pin that doesn't work. Plug in my x, plug in my y. See if it's true. Not true, not on the line. Not true, not on the line. True, it's on the line. Copy. Multiplying those, I made a little generic rectangle. 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. Find the area of each little box. 3x times 4 is 12x. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Once you're done finding each little area, you just combine like terms. 9x squared, 24x, and 16. Same thing over here, just watch out for the negatives. 5x times a negative 3 is a negative 15x. When you combine those together, you get the negative 9. And this one's just a little harder. It's a 2 by 3. So you have a 2 by 3 box. Find the area of each one just by multiplying. Negative times a negative positive, that's where most of the mistakes happen. Most people did very well on this one. They didn't have a lot of mistakes, but most of them were just a minus there. Little cross multiplication, butterfly. 9 times x minus 9, so don't forget to distribute. Once again, most people did very well on this. The only time they missed it is they lose their negatives. Quit losing your negatives. Same thing over here, just watch out for those negatives. It's just a little harder, it has more negatives in it. This one, a lot of mistakes. A lot of mistakes. A lot of them are with the negatives. You just gotta pay attention to those negatives. Combine like terms, many people wrote a 7 here. It's 5 minus 2. Many subtraction errors here. Many 49s right there. Okay, so you get 16. Once you get 16, plug it into one of the equations. I plugged it into the easiest looking one. So 16 times that, subtract or add 3. Most mistakes on this guy came at the very end after I substituted in. You distributed well and you subtracted wrong. You wrote 55 here. So look at your test and go, oh, I wrote a negative 55. Bad, you added wrong. It's minus 10, minus 10. So negative 75. And if you made it past that point, you made your mistake right here when you substituted it in. And you wrote negative 20. Alrighty, fix those little negative mistakes and you should be okay.